Welcome to Amway's Web 3.0 highlights video. This video is best experienced in full screen mode. Digital Limelight's Web 3.0 moves the web from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 by upgrading and unifying web presences. Let's first take a look at Amway's wired address and how it unifies web presences. Wire addresses are basically .coms on steroids since they are located on top of the aging domain name system and allow for easy finding of all an individual or business's web presences no matter where they are around the web. The old domain name system simply points to a single website. For example, if we enter Amway.com, it points to the single web presence of their website. Now if we enter Amway, followed by two greater than signs to tell the Web 3.0 browser that this is the wired address, we get all of their web presences no matter where they are located around the web. In a world of ever-growing social networks and content sites, it's important to have one place that you can go to find all of an individual or business's web presences. As we click on the entries within the wire address, they're launched in the default web browser. First is my Amway page, followed by their website. You can see here that the entire website is mapped so you can have easy access to any of the web pages. Next is the Amway Global website, followed by the Amway Insider website. Next we have the YouTube channel, followed by individual videos. Next we have the social presences, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Wikipedia tells about the company. Next we have the Amway apps, the one for iTunes, followed by the one for Android. Now let's look at some of Amway's new Web 3.0 content in the Web 3.0 browser and see how it upgrades web presences. First is the web Snippet. It's a mini site for Amway. It's their entire site but in a smaller footprint. Great for multitasking. Next is Amway's Alpha logo. Can be used as desktop decoration that can launch the wire address. Let's see how this works. We'll move this to where we would like. If you'd like a special effect, we can press that button. That's drop shadow, glow, transparency, hologram effect. Now when we'd like to launch this content's wire address, we click that button and there is Amway's entire wire address. If you would like to have this desktop decoration loaded every time you restart your computer, you can click on the Save Desktop button under the Settings menu. Then any content that you have on your desktop will be saved and relaunched on startup. If you're a fan, keep the logo on your desktop and show your support. Next is an alpha photo. It's called an alpha photo because it has an alpha transparent background. This images of their products. It's important to understand that all Web 3.0 content have wire addresses embedded in them, so any of this Web 3.0 content you see here can launch the Amway's wire address. For example, if this content was not launched off the wire address, but instead shared directly from a friend, that friend could easily launch the Amway's wire address and find all things Amway. Next is an alpha paint. It's a next generation image that when clicked turns on and off the background image. Next we have a shop launcher. It's neutralized vitamin C. When shop launchers are clicked, they launch the website of where those can be purchased. Next are 4 web launchers. The first 2 are of YouTube videos. Since they're not within the browser, it's a great interface for multitasking. You can put it down at the bottom left and watch the video while you're surfing through Amway's website on the far right. The last two are video playlists. Let's move that over here. Scroll to the one we want, click on it, and it launches the video.
Imagine a product with ingredients.
Since this video is a highlights video based on Amway's web presences at a given time, you should regularly check out Amway's wire address for new web presences. Wire addresses are not just for businesses, they're also perfect for individuals. You may see some of them coming from your Amway representative. Let's take a look at a wire address from a made-up Amway representative. We'll enter Jane Johnson, followed by 2 greater than signs. First entry is to the wire address of Amway's, so that her clients can find out all things Amway. We'll click on it. That launches the wire address for Amway. We'll click the back button to go back to hers. Next are her social networks: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Next are some photo sites: Flickr, PhotoBucket. Next is her blog, followed by Go USC Trojans because she's a Trojan. After that, we have her family's wire addresses. And finally, we have the donate entry. We strongly suggest to all individuals who have wire addresses that the very last entry be a donate line, so that they can raise attention for that charity and hopefully raise money. If you would like to get your very own wire address, you may want to do so soon, so you can get your perfect wire address name before somebody else takes it. Help Amway increase their fan base by sharing this webpage with friends, family, and followers. If you would like to learn more about Web 3.0, go to our homepage at digitallimelight.com. Have fun in this new Web 3.0 world.